Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the colorful world of CSS styling, starting with backgrounds and colors. Whether you are a beginner or just brushing up your basics, this video will help you understand how to control layout and design like a pro. So grab your code editor, let's style web together. So guys, let's open our code editor first. I will do some practical. I have already created a folder with the name of CSS, and in here there is colors folder. I will open this very folder in Visual Studio Code. There is already a file with the name of index.html. This is empty file, and now we will write firstly basic HTML code. We'll learn about colors and backgrounds. Okay, now let's create division within class name. Let's name it container. Sure. In it we will make some divisions. Let's style firstly body and do firstly colors. This is a style tag, and in this I am selecting the body. Here I will say background color, suppose black. Let's run this first. Running this with code editor. This is black color on my body. Let's suppose if I will change this color to the blue. You can see color is blue now. This is how we can give background color to our body. We can give color using 3, 4, 5 ways, but we will learn very basic things. We will use color name. Firstly we can use color name. Suppose black or red. Green. Like that we can use color names. And if I have suppose here div, I created 4 divs here. Div 2, div 3 and div 4. So this is our we can say these 4 divs. If I will change its text color, I can say color FFF. These are 4 colors we can change. Now I will style this. I will show you something really cool, how we handle this. Focus on totally, this video is totally focused on colors and backgrounds. So whatever any other property you will use of CSS, that is not in my focus, but we will learn that very properties in next upcoming videos. I give it display flags and justify content as space between. You can see I done this, but I want width 30% and margin auto. You can see, and now I will give these divs. Suppose I will say dot container background color, suppose black. You can see this, but we want it's, I can say, padding. Thank you. Margin top to bottom 30 pixels, left right auto. There is also margin on top. Okay, now I will give padding for them, 50 pixels around. You can see these are 4 divs. Now I will give font size 40 pixels of each. See div 1, div 2, div 4. Now if I want to give separate color, I will give very basic one here. Second. Now I can give different colors for different divs. Here I can say I will give another property here, text transform uppercase. This will be the capital, and now the font size is little big. I will give. This is now cool, and font family I will give here. Change this font family also. So now it's like this. Now we will do different colors for different divisions. Here background color, suppose blue. Now it has blue. Likewise I will give this styling is common for all 4, but these background color is different. Now I will give color, background color, red. Now here is a class second. You can see the background. Likewise I will do with these two. This. So these what is the reason second, and the third is this one, and background is also green for this one. Now see, there will be not visible because this is also green, so I can say orange. Now you can see four divs have four different colors, and I can give here black, and now this is visible. Sure, only we cannot use color names here. We can use another thing here, which is I will show you. What is that? That is, we can see how we can use color. You can see in CSS. Firstly, we can use color within new color names. Sure, and color names we can simply use specify color name. Suppose tomato, orange, medium sea green, doors blue, gray, slate blue, violet. Right, we can use actual color names. And another one is RGB, red, green, blue. Whatever value we can give in red, we can give value from 0 to 225. In between we can give any value that will be make colors. Suppose if I have to make red, we have to make it 225, and these two green blue should be 0, and likewise it should be 100, and these two should be green, and this also for blue, this should be 225, and these red green should be also 0. So these we can say we can use color from like these things. And another one is hexadecimal. We can use hexadecimal for the colors also, like we can use RR, GG and BB. Means specify the hexadecimal value from, we can see 0 to 15. Suppose we have to use color 0 to 9 as numerical, and then from 10 to 15 we have to use A to F. Likewise we can use hexadecimals. Here you can say example, if I have to give black color, I will give hash or 6 zeros, means RR, GG and BB. If I make white color, I have to give RR, GG, BB. Every one is we can say FF on top, means the white color will be created here. Likewise you can see the examples here, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6 examples here. You can see how can we use these colors. Now we can give some, we can see examples on it. Suppose I have to give here green color, I will give RGB, and red should be 0, and green should be 225, and blue should be also 0, 0. You can see the green color, but it is light green. This green is on the top green. We can again say here, suppose if I will give 200 here, it will give the another green. Suppose I will give here, suppose 100, it will make the dark green. Like that I have to up down the values, again change the color. Suppose if I want to give red, I have to give 255 here, and these two should be 0, 0. Now it is red. If I want to give it blue, then this should be 0, and this should be 225. Now if I want to mix all, suppose I have to give 100 here, 50 here, this will be done, make another color like that, because blue has a high value, that is why it is bluish. If I will reduce its suppose it will be 40, then there is, we can see reddish somehow, because maximum value has red. Suppose if I will give it 200, sorry, you can see red is increasing. I will increase this one also. Suppose it will give say greenish to add greenish to it, and it will after mixing this color is generated. And another one is suppose I will give here, another one is hexadecimal. Because if I will give white color to it, it should be 6. This is white now. And if I want to give it black, so I will give 6 zeros. This will be the black. Now again I can say if I want to green it, and I will give FF here, it will make a green because it is on top and these are on 0, because 0 is here starting and F is it is ending. So if I will want to give blue, so I will give FF here, and these two should be 0. That will make blue. Likewise, we can mix colors, and suppose if I will give color name here tomato, it will also give tomato color. Like that we can use colors. If I will give white red here, I will make red here, FF 4 times 0. This is red color in hexadecimal. So I hope you understand this thing. Now another one is here. This was totally on colors. Now we will see the background things. Suppose I was giving background but color. Now I will say another thing. Suppose if I will give color more than one color to our background, I have to give a background image, then linear gradient, and here should be firstly should be angle 45 degree. Then we will give the angle of this color. Then we can suppose if you want to add a color, here's a website, colors. There's a website, there's a color where we get colors. I have to go here. I can choose any color from here. Suppose I will choose this color, hash, comma, another one is suppose this one, and here should be hash, and you can see the output now. This, see, this is repeating the color. Sure. How can we remove this repetition and these type of things? How can we remove this? Here are another properties of it. You can say background repeat, no repeat. Sure, but it is always on here. Sure, I will say background position, center, and background size, cover. Here it didn't work. I will show you why. But because it works with only image, so I have to give a height here, 100 VH viewport height. See now. Understood? Was how we can give gradient color. So if I will want to add another color here, I will go here and then copy this color and paste here. You can see this is now mixing. And another thing I will do here, I will another color, add another color here. Suppose this one. You can have multiple colors for it. If you can change, if you want to change angle, suppose 90 degree I will give. This is a 90 now. 90 degrees. Suppose if I will give 20 degree, you can see now it is on 20 degree. I hope you will like this. Now another thing is here. If I want to give image like background image, if you want to add background image to it, then you have to add image here. I will search for image from online. Here is on splash nature. Suppose I will choose this one. It's not looking cool. Oh, this one is copy image address and URL, and this image is like this. See now this image, and we can manage this image using these 4 properties. I will cut them and I'll paste him after this, and then remove the comment of it. The image is properly visible. This suppose if I will remove this thing, then see if I will give there is another property. I will say content. You can see this is around the 100%, and I have to give cover. If you want image or see image from bottom side, then you have to give image position but background position bottom. You can see from bottom side totally visible, and from top side it is hiding some little bit. Here is another thing here. Suppose I don't have this. You can see this thing. Height is very important here. Height plays very important role here. If you want add image in this also here. I will show this is you can see last thing I will show you. Let's copy these things and this also you can see this. You can add wherever you want. You can use adding. Suppose I will show you another one here. Suppose this one I will copy this URL and let's paste it. You like this video, and please do subscribe my channel, and if you found this video helpful for you, please give thumbs up to this video, and please do not hesitate to subscribe my channel. And I also want, if you have any query, please do comment on below comment box. And thanks for watching this video. Okay, bye.